Hello everyone, I Shilpa Bandari, Faculty of MBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic International Compensation, its objectives and problems. So let's first start with the objective of international compensation. It can be extremely expensive to live in some countries. Therefore, determining equitable wage rates in many countries is not a simple matter of equality in pay. So this is why most expedited compensation plans are designed to achieve four major objectives. Number one, to attract employees who are qualified and interested in international assignments. Thus, the compensation policy works to attract and retain that staff in the areas where the multinational has the greatest needs and opportunities. Second objective, to facilitate the movement of these internationals from one subsidiary to another, from one home to subsidiaries and from subsidiaries back to the home. To achieve this policy, that must be competitive and recognize the factors such as incentives for foreign service, tax equalization and reimbursement for the reasonable cost. Third objective, to provide a consistent and a reasonable relationship between the pay level of employees at the headquarters, domestic affiliates and foreign subsidiaries. And fourth objective is the policy must be made cost effective. That too by reducing the unnecessary expenses. So, it must give due consideration to equity and ease of administration. So, that was the objective. Now, let's discuss about the problems in the international compensation. Number one, the drivers of the workforce engagement and their role in the global total reward. That's the first major issue. Second, the impact of shifts in labor market on global remuneration data, planning and pay structure. Third issue, redefining the global equity practices and the impact of behavioral economics on their workforce responses. And our fourth issue is complying with the new global government's initiatives which are related to the pay for performance programs and the risk management. So that was all about the objectives and the problems of international compensation. So I hope you all understood about the same. Thank you so very much.